Kettering, nestled in the heart of Northamptonshire, is a town that effortlessly marries its rich historical heritage with a vibrant, modern ethos, often overshadowed by its more illustrious neighbours. Kettering is a town that quietly charms those who take the time to explore its depths. From its storied past to its dynamic present, Kettering offers a wealth of experiences that captivate and inspire. The town's history is a fascinating tapestry, woven with threads of industry, culture and community. Kettering's roots stretch back to Roman times, and its evolution through the centuries is evident in the architectural gems that dot the landscape. A visit to the Manor House Museum is an excellent starting point for any exploration. Housed in a beautiful 17th century building, the museum showcases the town's rich history, from its Roman origins to its prominence in the wool and leather trades during the Industrial Revolution. The exhibits, which include everything from ancient artifacts to Victorian memorabilia, provide a vivid glimpse into the lives of Kettering's past inhabitants. St. Peter and St. Paul's Church, with its imposing spire, stands as a testament to Kettering's medieval heritage. The church's serene interior, adorned with beautiful stained glass and intricate woodwork, invites contemplation and admiration. It is a place where the past feels palpably close, offering a sense of continuity amidst the town's ever-evolving landscape. Kettering's marketplace is another nod to its historical roots. This bustling hub, where traders have gathered for centuries, continues to thrive today. The market, held on Fridays and Saturdays, is a lively affair where local vendors sell everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. It's a sensory delight, with the vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the hum of friendly chatter, creating a welcoming atmosphere. But Kettering is not just a town that rests on its historical laurels. It is a place that embraces modernity with gusto, offering a vibrant cultural scene that caters to diverse tastes. The Lighthouse Theatre, a state-of-the-art venue, is a cultural cornerstone, hosting an eclectic mix of performances ranging from drama and comedy to live music and dance. The theatre's varied program ensures that there is always something to captivate audiences, making it a cultural beacon in the town. The Alfred East Art Gallery, another cultural gem, houses an impressive collection of works by local artists, including its namesake, Alfred East. The gallery's exhibitions, which often feature contemporary artists alongside historical pieces, reflect Kettering's commitment to fostering artistic expression and appreciation. Nature lovers will find plenty to adore in Kettering. The town is surrounded by lush countryside, with numerous parks and green spaces offering a respite from urban life. Wicksteed Park, one of the oldest theme parks in the UK, is a beloved local attraction. Founded by Charles Wicksteed in 1921, the park combines thrilling rides with beautiful gardens and serene lakes, providing a perfect day out for families and adventure seekers alike. For a more tranquil escape, the nearby Grafton Underwood Woods offers enchanting woodland walks. This ancient forest, with its network of trails and abundant wildlife, is a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts. The changing seasons bring different delights, from the vibrant colors of autumn to the fresh blooms of spring, making it a year-round destination. Kettering's community spirit is perhaps its most endearing quality. The town is home to numerous clubs, societies, and volunteer groups that foster a strong sense of belonging and civic pride. Events like the Kettering Arts Festival and the Christmas market bring the community together in celebration, showcasing the town's vibrant culture and communal warmth. Kettering is a town that charms quietly but profoundly. It is a place where history and modernity coexist harmoniously, where culture and community thrive, and where every street and building has a story to tell. Whether you are delving into its rich past, enjoying its cultural offerings, or simply soaking in its welcoming atmosphere, Kettering offers an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. It is a town that invites discovery, celebrates diversity, and embodies the quintessential charm of Northamptonshire.